Hello Tech World and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how I make my YouTube videos, how I come up with the ideas, and what equipment I use to make my videos. You may not know this, but I've been able to become a partner, get over 1,000 subscribers, and get over the 4,000 hours of watch time using this. This is my iPhone 15 Pro. Now, before I was using this, because I recently just upgraded, I was using the iPhone 13 to do all my videos. Yes, I was using an iPhone. And as you know, iPhones have very good camera. And I just want to let you know right now, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, you don't need to feel as though you need to go out and buy a DSLR camera. Now, I so happen to be using a Canon R50 right now, but that's only because, again, I'm using my phone right now. So I can't shoot and film at the same time with my phone in my hand, of course. So I'm using my camera. But this is what I've been using for the past year. But trust me when I say you can use any phone that has good HD recording, whether it's in 1080p or 4K resolutions. Diving into my settings, when it comes to the resolution and the frames, I record all my content in 4K on either 24 or 30 frames per second. When it comes to shooting, here are my personal settings. Now, when it comes to my camera capture, I tend to use the most compatible as this gives me the least amount of issues. In my honest opinion, the footage coming off of the iPhone is truly amazing. It's crazy how far phones have come along. Now, trust me when I say your phone should be able to get the job done when it comes to the quality of your videos. I'm living proof that you can grow a YouTube channel over 1,000 subscribers and become a YouTube partner with just an iPhone. There are several YouTubers who make amazing content while only using their iPhone. Now, the reason I love shooting on an iPhone rather than a DSLR is due to its portability and its small form factor. It's able to do everything that I need from it and more. I also love how easy it is to transfer my videos from my iPhone to my M1 MacBook Pro via AirDrop. It definitely makes life easier. Now, moving on, let's talk about the equipment that I use. And again, I just want to tell you the equipment I use, you could definitely find things for cheaper. I've been using mostly budget things that from Amazon, so nothing on this list should be expensive, and it'll all be in the description below. One of the most important things has to be the tripod. It's what I use for a majority of my shots in my videos, as this helps with getting those amazing slow pans as well as stable shots. This tripod is made by Sunpack, and it's the Platinum Plus 585D tripod. I was able to find this off of Best Buy's website, and it's currently being sold for $20.99. At this price, it's an amazing tripod that doesn't require you to break the bank for it. The build on this tripod is solid and sturdy and allows the user the ability to record their videos either horizontally or vertically. Now, this tripod doesn't come with everything, so you'll definitely need to purchase an adapter for your tripod. Speaking of tripods, I also carry the Joby GorillaPod 3K Smart Vlogging Tripod as well. This tripod I use to get my close-ups. This tripod 3 grip offers the flexibility needed for more creative filming. I sometimes use this tripod for handheld shots, though it's not the best method when it comes to the stability. If you have the money for it, you should invest in a gimbal, but again, that's an investment for another day. Now, let's talk about lighting. Lighting is very important when it comes to filming your YouTube content. You definitely want the best lighting, and I honestly believe the best lighting is natural lighting. Natural lighting is what I'm using in this video, but let's be real. There are times where the natural lighting is just not cutting it out. It might just be a cloudy day. Luckily, it's somewhat cloudy, but the sun is out, so I'm still getting good quality lighting right now. But for those of you on those days when you don't have good lighting and natural lighting is just not helping, that's when I would invest in getting a ring light or a softbox that I have up here. That's what I use on those days that I just can't get any good natural lighting. I use those two things, and they will also be mentioned in the description below. So when it comes to audio, I actually use the DJI microphone. So I have it on top of the camera right here, and then I'm holding onto this one, again, connected with the lavalier mic. So I like to use this as it's just lightweight, portable, easy to use. There's really not much to it. It's really easy when it comes to audio for me. Now, when it comes to planning or how I just execute my ideas when it comes to content, It's really just based off of what I feel like reviewing or looking into at that time. Whether it's an Apple device, whether it's a new controller, whether it's Nintendo Switch related, or whether it's PC gaming or PlayStation 5. I go with what I like, and I refuse to review or look at something that I'm just not interested in. So just know if I do a topic, it's what I want to do the topic on. It's nothing else besides that. When it comes to scripting, I write all my scripts on Google Docs, which can take several time, but it's worth it for me as I'm still practicing speaking in front of a camera. So I like to write scripts. It helps me out a lot. When it comes to editing, I use Wondershare Filmora, which has been my go-to. I know a lot of people use DaVinci Resolve and other softwares, but it's easy for me. It's been easy for me to use, and I like it. Now, I don't plan on using that for the long run. I do plan on switching to DaVinci at some point, and I have used DaVinci Resolve for 2 of my videos, but then I went back to Wondershare and kind of forgot how to use DaVinci again. So I'll definitely have to teach myself how to use that, but moving forward in the future, I do plan on switching. As always, Tech World, it's been a pleasure. I hope this helped you out a lot, and I just want you to know that, again, there's nothing that should hold you back from YouTube. Again, if you want to get started, all you need is a phone, an iPad, or something that you'll be able to edit your videos on, and you should be good to go. And good audio. And good audio, and you should be good to go. As always, Tech World, it's been a pleasure, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.